Good morning, everyone. Today we will have a new math lesson. It's chapter 12, lesson 5, classify quadrilaterals. You can see this lesson on your math book, page 723. Okay, here in this lesson, we will keep talking about quadrilaterals. What does quadrilaterals mean? Do you remember? Quadrilaterals, it means any shape that has four sides, four angles. Okay, so it's under polygon, right? So you remember when we talk about polygons has different shape. Could be quadrilateral, decagon, octagon, hexagon, a triangle. All of these different shapes or different names for polygons. Now here in this lesson we will talk about quadrilaterals, only quadrilaterals. So we will talk about all the shapes that has four sides, four angles. Simply, quadrilaterals here, it's like a big family, huge family, and under this family has a lot of shapes that has four sides, four angles. Each shape has a specific name. Each shape has a specific name. And here in this lesson, we will learn some different names for those quadrilaterals. Okay, so again, this quadrilaterals, it's like a big family. So in this lesson, we will keep talking about just quadrilaterals. Under this quadrilaterals has a lot of shapes. Each shape has a specific name, and we will learn some different name. Okay. Now, first of all, when I tell you quadrilaterals, what does quadrilaterals mean? As you can see here, in front of you, this shape or this shape or this shape. All of those, it's quadrilaterals. Why? Because it has four sides, four angles. So four sides, four angles. Okay. Now, look at the next page here. Yes. Here, that's what do I mean by the name of different shapes? As I said, quadrilaterals. Under this quadrilaterals has a lot of shapes. Each shape has different names. Like your family, your mom and your dad, and under mom and dad there are a lot of brothers and sisters together, right? So same thing here. Quadrilateral, it means the big family, and under this family has a lot of brothers and sisters. Here we have, for example, four sisters. We will talk about four sisters here. All of those shapes are similar to each other, and there are some slight difference between them. Okay, and we will talk about each one separately. Okay, the thing that is similar between all of these are quadrilaterals. It means all of these have four sides, four angles. Okay, and we will talk about each thing separately. Okay, so the first shape that we will learn today is trapezoid. Look at the first one, trapezoid. Trapezoid, it's a quadrilateral shape. It means shape that has four sides, four angles. But what is the thing that is special about this trapezoid? Trapezoid, it means any shape that has one pair of the opposite side that are parallel. So one pair, look at this for example. Look at this. So one pair of the opposite sides that are parallel. First of all, what does pair mean? Pair mean. What does pair? Pair means two of something. So that's what do I mean? These two lines, it's mean pair. Opposite, what does opposite mean? It means those two lines are facing each other, front of each other. This line facing this line. And that are parallel. What does parallel mean? It means when I extend those two lines, see, when I'm extending or stretching, those two lines never ever meet each other. Okay, so they are parallel. Okay, so let me just erase those to be clear, the other shape be clear in front of you. Okay. Okay, so trapezoid, any shape that has four sides, four angles. And what is the thing that is special about trapezoid? It has one pair, remember, one pair of opposite sides that are parallel. Only one pair. okay? One pair that are parallel, and the length of the side could be the same sometimes, not always. Okay, so this is the only things special about trapezoid. So it has one pair of the opposite sides that are parallel. So this is the first sister that we learned today. Now, the second one, rectangle. Rectangle. Rectangle, it's also quadrilateral. It's a shape that has 4 sides, 4 angles. But what is the thing that is special about rectangle? This rectangle has 2 pairs of the opposite sides that are parallel. What does 2 pair mean? It means this one, look at this. This is the first pair, the pairs of the opposite sides that are parallel, and the next one is this one. So this is number 2. So 2 pair, this one and this one. So 2 pair of the opposite sides that are parallel. What does parallel mean? If I'm stretching these 2 lines, never ever meet each other. And so we're done with this. Look at the second one. 2 pairs of the sides that are equal length. Yes, those are equal. Look at this. The length of this is equal to this, and the length of this one is equal to this one. So 2 pairs of sides that are equal length. And also, what is the thing that is special? This rectangle has 4 right angles. Look at these, 4 right angles. Okay? So two pairs of opposite sides that are parallel, and two pair of sides that are equal length, and 4 right angles. So this is the thing that is special about rectangle. Okay, look at the third sister here. Square. What does a square mean? Square, it has 2 pairs of opposite sides that are parallel. Yes, this side opposite to this, and those 2 are parallel, and this side opposite to this, and those 2 sides are parallel. So we're done with the first one. The second one, 4 sides that are equal length. Yes, this side equal to this side, equal to this side, equal to this. The length of each side is equal to each other. And the last one is, it has 4 right angles. 4 right angles, yes? So 4 right angles. So what is the thing that's special about square? 2 pairs of opposite sides that are parallel, 4 sides that are equal length, and 4 right angles. What's the difference between square and rectangle? Both of them has 4 sides of opposite, two pairs of opposite sides that are parallel. And the thing that is different is rectangle has 2 pairs of opposite sides that are equal length. But the square, 4 sides that are equal length. 4 sides, and both of them have 4 right angles. Okay. Look at the last one here. The last sister, rhombus. This rhombus also is considered quadrilateral. It has 4 sides, 4 angles. And this rhombus has 2 pairs of opposite sides that are parallel. Yes, this is the first pair, parallel, and this is the second one, parallel, right? And what does it have also? It has 4 sides that are equal length. Yes, this side equal to this side, equal to this side, equal to this side. So 4 sides that are equal. Do they have, does this shape has 4 right angle? No. So this shape doesn't have 4 right angle. So the thing that is special about rhombus, it's 2 pairs of opposite sides that are parallel, and 4 sides that are equal length, but there is no any right angle. There is no any right angles. Okay? Now, as you can see here, square comes here and here, and this is square already, and this is square. Why? Because if I'm talking about trapezoid, the square here, it has one pair of parallel sides, which is equal to trapezoid or similar to trapezoid. Look at rectangle. Also, it has two pair of parallel sides, two pair of equal length sides, and also it has four right angles. Same in rhombus, it has two pair of opposite sides that are parallel, okay? And those are equal length. So, did you see the difference between those? As we said again and again, all of these, those four different shapes, and it's considered under quadrilateral. It's under quadrilateral family because all of those have four sides, four angles. But there is a special things about each one. Trapezoid has one pair of parallel side, one pair of opposite sides that are parallel. Rectangle has two pair of opposite sides that are parallel and two pair of the side equal length and four right angles. Square, similar to rectangle, two pair of opposite sides that are parallel but four sides equal length and four right angles. Last one, rhombus, it's two pairs of opposite sides that are parallel and four sides that are equal length. So it's like square, but there is no right angle. Okay? Now, look at the next question here. Now, circle all the words that describe the quadrilateral. Number 4, 5, 6, all of those shapes are quadrilaterals. Why quadrilaterals? Because those have four sides, four angles. So we agree with this. We're done with this. But we want to name each one. We want to call each one. Is it rhombus, rectangle, square, what, trapezoid? So we will see. Now look at number 4. Is this shape, look at this shape. Is this shape considered rectangle? Remember, what does rectangle mean? Rectangle mean two pair of opposite sides that are parallel and two pair that are equal length, yes, and four right angles, yes. So this is rectangle. So it's matching rectangle. Now, is this rhombus? Can I say this shape is rhombus? Well, remember, what does rhombus mean? Rhombus mean two pair of opposite sides that are parallel and four sides that are equal length. But this rectangle doesn't have four sides equal length. Two sides only equal length and the other two. So this is not rhombus. Okay, can I say this is square? No, it doesn't have four sides equal length. Is this trapezoid? Yes, I can say this is trapezoid because it has one pair of parallel sides. And there is another, but as long as it's matching one properties from trapezoid, so we're gonna go over it. Now, look at number 5. Let me change the color. Okay, look at number 5 here. Okay, is this shape rhombus? Can I say this is rhombus? Remember, what does rhombus mean? Rhombus means two pair of parallel sides, two pair of the opposite sides that are parallel. Yes, this is the first pair equal to this and this equal to this. And four sides that are equal length. What about the sides here? Are those equal length? Yes. So I will say this is rhombus. Now, is this quadrilateral? Yes, of course, without even thinking. As long as this shape has four sides, four angles, so yes, this is quadrilateral. Now, is this a square? Well, it has two pair of parallel sides. It may be a square. It has four sides that are equal length, yes, but there is no right angle, so this is not a square. Now, is this rectangle? Rectangle, to tell this is rectangle, we have to have a two pair of equal length. So two pairs of equal lengths and another two pair of equal lengths. So this is not rectangle. because those we have four sides of equal length. Sorry. So this is rhombus and quadrilateral. Now look at number 6. Okay, look at number 6 here. Now, is this shape rectangle? Well, what does rectangle mean? Two pair of opposite sides that are parallel. Now, this is the first pair that are parallel, but there is no another pair that are parallel, so this is not rectangle. To tell this is rectangle, we have to have two pairs of parallel sides. Okay, so this is rhombus. Can we say this is rhombus? Remember, what does rhombus mean? Rhombus means two pairs of parallel sides that are equal and four sides of equal length. So this shape doesn't have four sides of equal length and it doesn't have two pairs of parallel sides. It has only one pair. So this is not rhombus. Is this trapezoid? Yes, this is trapezoid. Why? Because trapezoid has one pair of parallel sides, this one pair, only one pair. Is this quadrilateral? Of course, without even thinking, because this shape has four sides, four angles. Got it? Super easy. So this is our lesson for today. We classified already the quadrilateral shapes. As we said, quadrilaterals, it's like a big family. Under this quadrilaterals, different shapes. We learned 4 of them today. The first one is trapezoid, rectangle, square, and rhombus. Hopefully you understand this lesson very carefully. Thank you for listening, all of you. Bye.